How to use Perplexity AI for coding. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you're stuck on a coding error or need to understand a concept, let me show you how to use Perplexity AI for it. Now to start off, don't just ask questions such as how to write a function. You need to be more specific and describe your problems or an error message. For example, you can add in this prompt on whatever you're getting stuck with, and right away you'll get a clear explanation of the error followed by examples on how it happens and how to fix it. Other than this, you're going to get different sources of where these answers were taken from. Now after this, let's ask for actual code. If you type in a prompt like this, you'll get a clean code snippet, but because you can see different sources, you have more confidence that this code based on reliable documentation. You can also ask for alternatives if you have any questions regarding this particular code. This helps you understand different approaches to solve the same problem, which is great for learning as well. So that's basically it for today. These are the few examples that you use Perplexity AI for coding. If this kind of video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos just like this, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.